So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy silver here on Questrade. And if you guys are new to Questrade, I have a link down below in the description of this video of a referral code. If you use this referral code when signing up, we both get money during that process. Now, to buy silver on the main screen here, go to the bottom left and press on buy and sell. At the top, I want you to type in ticker symbol SVR.C. And then at the top, press on svr.c.to. So this is an example of a silver ETF traded in Canadian dollars. Now, you can go ahead and find other silver ETFs, but you can't actually purchase silver, the commodity, through Questrade. So you're going to have to go the ETF route as an example. Once you have your ETF selected here, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you guys are on the buy page right here, you can go ahead and review the order. So if I were to go to limit right here, you can go ahead and select market order or limit order. I'll use market order for an example. And if you wanted to buy 1 share as an example, you'll type in the amount of shares. There aren't fractional shares at the moment, so a whole share is going to have to do. Once that is done and you like your transaction and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on review order, and then finalize the transaction that way. So that is how you guys can buy silver here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.